My name is Kyryll. I'm the head of engineering at ABRIS.aero. ABRIS.aero is the aerospace company located in Poland. We have more than 10 years of experience in UAVs, especially in survey, but also we have more than 30 years of experience in aerospace in general. So our company was developing not only subsystems for the aircraft, but the whole aircraft in general, for the ultralight aviation and the general aviation. At this Intergeo, we are presenting here our system called FLIRT. FLIRT is the Flying Intelligent Robotic Tool. It's a very versatile and easy to use solution. In this case, with the LiDAR, we are presenting the dual devices setup. So it's the multi-rotor system called Beetle and the fixed wing system called CITUS. So this combination allows you to be more versatile and operate accordingly to the requirements of your customer. The main advantage of the Beetle multi-rotor system is its gimbal for the LiDAR. So the LiDAR is always pointing at nadir and the antenna is always located just above the sensor of the LiDAR. But this same LiDAR could be operated also with the fixed wing CITUS. So you could buy only one LiDAR for both of the drones. With the CITUS, you could cover more area, much more area, about up to 8 square kilometers per flight, but with lower point density. Our UAVs are integrated with the Mapper Plus OEM version. You could use both of them, A version and C version. It depends on your preferences. So regarding the application, our main goal is to deliver easy-to-use drone that could be used in a big variety of different fields of study. But the most important of them, most demanded of them, are the power line inspections and the 3D modeling of the old buildings and the historical areas.